That's right. That's the sound of the next Dollar Tree train that's coming your way. And we have 14 channels. Once again, we have some new channels with us this time, and we have some that are taking a break. So you will have a variety again to see what we have for the Dollar Tree train. And this is all over the USA. We all live in different parts of the United States. I will say we're in the continental, or whatever you call it, within the United States. Nobody's in Alaska or Hawaii. But anyways, on this train we have with us, and I'm very happy to say, of course, we have Tracy. Tracy does a lot. She helps me a lot, and she never complains. She does a great job. She does it in a timely fashion, and she does our ads, she does our thumbnails, she does our playlist. She is wonderful. So Tracy, once again, is on board with us, and we're happy to have her as always, and we all appreciate her talent because she is talented with her designs. We also have with us new Jen from Just Jen. So let's welcome her aboard. We have also new Cheryl with Cheryl for Peace, and she is new with us. And if you don't know these ladies, be sure and check them out, and of course you will if you're following the Dollar Tree train. We have Sue with Reviews with Sue. We have Carol Gardner, and everybody I think knows my girlfriend. We have Bargain Mama, and she is new with us, and her name is Brandy. So be sure and give her a great welcome. And guys, she's trying to get to 1K. So let's help her get her there, all right? I know we can do it. Y'all are a great bunch of ladies, a great community, all you ladies and gentlemen, and we appreciate each and every one of you so, so much. And we appreciate your support of the Dollar Tree train. We also have Retro D, and her name is D. It's not Marie, it's D. Just in case you didn't know. And we have Wendy Jean with Unboxings with Wendy Jean. We have Sherry with Single Mom Review. We have Teddy with Nona's Here. We have Linda with Crazy Mimi Yup. And yeah, Steve will probably be with her. And I don't know her nickname for him for the Dollar Tree train. And I might mention that Grumpy G Paul might make an appearance with Nona's Here. Also, we have Favorites with Laura, and we have Arlene, who is all things Arlene. So I want y'all to welcome all the ladies aboard, and gents if they are participating with their better halves. But we're going to get on with this train. We are to pick 10 items and try to keep our videos under 15 minutes. And we're all going out at the same time now. I'm not doing the staggered deal anymore. Let me know. Did you like it better when we staggered it, or do you like it when we all go out at once? Please let me know in the comments, and maybe tell your friends that are in the collab in case they ask you. But anyways, you rate 1 to 10, not based on like winning a competition, but on the things that you would purchase. There is a giveaway with each channel, and there will be one winner like per channel, and there will be no duplicate winners. You can use a code word, and not everyone uses a code word, so listen closely. Also, I want to bring this up. We will announce our winners either by standalone video within another video posted on our post page, a short, or we can put a tag on our video, pin a note on who the winner is. So if you don't see a video or any of those other things, this came up like on the last one, look at the pinned comments under a video. And right now I only know one channel that does that, but I do want to point that out because I don't want you to be searching everywhere for an announcement. Okay, and I'm sorry for those of you that have had to do that, but now we kind of have a little clarity on it. I'm going to get on with my haul. We are to choose 8 to 10 items. I give them that choice now because it has gone up at the Dollar Tree. As you well know, not everything's $1.25. Some things are $1.50, some are $1.75, some are $3, some are $5. They just can't make up their mind, can they? And are y'all ready for a glitzy holiday? I just love Christmas. It's such a glitzy time of the year. And of course, Thanksgiving is just right around the corner, and I enjoy being with my family. And that is a wonderful family time. But I did pick out, I don't know, I probably picked out 8 items. I don't remember. But I will say I found this cute little snowman. And I just like basic red and white. Of course, I also like blue and white. Like my tree, I might have up with blue bulbs and blue garland, like the real pretty, I don't know, I guess it's like a snow blue or something. But I like the little snowman. Isn't he cute? I'm just going by my bags. I think I paid $1.50 for everything, so unless it says something differently on here, I'll tell you. I found this sign. It's Peace, Joy, Believe, which is very nice. And we do know the reason for the season is Jesus Christ our Lord. They celebrate his birth on that day, although that's not maybe necessarily his real birthday. I hate to break it to you, but he was probably born in September. But anyways, that's the date they celebrate it. There is no place like home. Now, isn't that cute? And it'll kind of go with my little red and white snowman. And this is the blue that I'm talking about when I do my Christmas tree. I use a white Christmas tree and put it in blue. So I like this sign. And like I said, I'm sure it was $1.50. My next item I'm pulling out of here is, who doesn't like to have candles in the window and or around the house during Christmas, maybe even Thanksgiving? And I got this one. It's kind of an antique brass, and I really liked it. And of course it's going to light up. I'm not going to light it up because it's completely sealed, and there is a giveaway at the end of this video, so hang on for that. The next thing I found was a blue Christmas. So yeah, I've already told you I like blue. We'll have a blue Christmas without you. We'll be, I don't even know that song. I better stop right there. Alright guys, what's that, Elvis Presley? Boy, that's dating me, isn't it? But isn't that cute? Just silver and blue. So pretty. And then I found a little kit to paint the truck for a happy holidays. And you've got your paint there and your paintbrush. And I always like to get a few crafts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Number 7 is an elf. Do you do the elf on a shelf? Well, I don't know if this is quite the elf on the shelf guy, but he's probably his buddy. And I just thought it was just extra cute. And that was what, 8? I don't know. Like I said, I may have bought more. The next thing I found was, of course, a gnome. You've got to have a gnome for Christmas. And this one here was $1.50. So a great price for a gnome. So I've got the elf and the gnome. So you'd be all set there. And then I found another craft, and I just thought this was cute too. It's a little bag, and you got your little markers there, and then you can color a snowman with its penguins. And I know somebody in my family that loves penguins. Do you? And then the last thing I got for my little glitzy Christmas is garland. And they had this garland, and I thought that was pretty cute, and it's pretty long too. It doesn't really say how long it is, but I like that it's got the white with the red. So very pretty. And of course it's in a rope tie, so that's going to be how you can hang it up if you strand it up. That's my Dollar Tree haul that I found in my local area. So I had the Christmas tree, I had the garland, and that was 2, I had 3, I had 4, I had 5, I had 6, 7, 8, 9, and don't forget my cute little snowman, 10. Those are my items. And guess what, guys? Everything you saw here is in my giveaway. This is what you'll get if you are the winner of my Dollar Tree train. And let's use the word joy. Use the word joy in a sentence down below. Rate my haul 1 to 10. How much of this would you pick out? And then go and check out the other channels. And be sure and comment. I forgot to mention that. Let's talk about the rules. We know what the giveaway is. What are the rules? You must be subscribed publicly to all 14 channels. You must do the comment. You must be 18 years or older. You must live within the continental USA for my giveaway. Now, each channel could have different rules and they could have different words. We know mine is this one. So pay attention to what they say, and you will be able to find my winner on a Mass Monday. This will last for 2 weeks. It comes out on November 16th and it ends on November 30th. And again, there won't be any duplicate winners, but you might as well comment on all videos. Make sure your comment sticks. Make sure if you're new to a channel, you need to watch that. You probably need to watch the whole video, then subscribe, then hit like. Please like all of our videos. If you love our collab and want other people to see it, boost it. Send it out there with a hype on one of your favorite channels. Just send it out there. Maybe there'll be some other Dollar Tree train lovers, and they'll want to be a part of our little family here. We have such a wonderful community, and we want everyone to participate, and we want everyone to have a good time. So I think those are my rules. YouTube and our Dollar Tree are not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form. Comment on all the other channels, and I can't really think of anything else right now. I just want to thank everyone that came on board this Dollar Tree train. And again, remember, make sure that you're publicly subscribed to each and every channel. We don't want anyone to be disqualified because of that, and or because your comments didn't stick. And I will say, you need to check that, because sometimes we'll have a winner, or we think we do, and they comment on every channel but one. And it doesn't follow the rules or the guidelines, so we have to choose another winner. So make sure you're publicly subscribed and that you've commented. And even if you don't like maybe you don't like my giveaway, that's fine. But at least comment in a sentence, that you like this or that you don't like that or whatever. But on videos that you want to for sure be a part of and have a chance to win, make sure to use their word if they give you one. Some of them don't, but I'm just telling you, just listen. So, but if you don't comment on everybody's, well, then you don't have a chance. I'll just have to tell you that. Okay, guys, that's the rules. That's how it works. That's how we roll. Chugga, 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 choo, choo on the Dollar Tree train. And I appreciate y'all so much. I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving and a very Merry Christmas. And as for today, that's all I have for this Dollar Tree train. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.